This is just an unboxing of the Lenovo T14 Gen 1. I kind of already opened it up, but just the safety paper inside and the power adapter. It's just a 65 watt USB-C one. And this is the laptop here. I'll give you a look at it. Very, very similar to, if not exact, to the Lenovo T490. Open it up just for a quick look. So I'll go over the ports in a second. Starting from here, just a USB-C for the power, accepts power delivery, so does this USB-C as well. This is the dedicated Ethernet. You can combine them. This is also the dock port. So if you have a dock, the older docks that slide into the side, that's where it goes. The newer docks just use one USB-C, and that's it, the newer ThinkPad docks. There's a USB 3.0, HDMI, combo audio port, micro SD. On the front there's nothing really. One more USB 3.0. This is the one that is always on if you're charging a device, not charging the laptop, charging a device. The Ethernet and Kensington lock, and just the fan ports there. On the back there is also the spot where you would have a SIM card if you had the option for that. I guess also there's a smart card option if you had the option for that too. That's where it goes. Take a look at the inside. Just a fingerprint reader, same keyboard and touchpad everybody's used to, and the buttons. Speakers are on the top, dual microphones, and the little privacy slider here to block out the webcam. And looking at the bottom, the only thing to note is just the reset hole. So in case you need to do kind of a hard reset and get the batteries disconnected if you've got an issue. That's what that is, and that's really the only thing that's on the bottom.